Udaan with Raju Prajapati.
So, welcome back to AgriVision for Udan Season 3. This season, we are excited to connect you with achievers from top colleges across India in the domain of agriculture and food technology and allied sciences. In this episode, we have Mr. Joyan Nandi, who has recently qualified for the CFTRI exam and also achieved an all-in rank of 2 in CUT PG Food Science and Technology examination. So, welcoming Joyan today in this show. Joyan, how are you doing?
Thank you, sir. I am very well today, and CFTI results आने के बाद I am more better because मुझे जिस college में जाना था मुझे finally वो मिल गया है.
Correct. Very well. So, first of all, many congratulations on qualifying both the examination. I would like to tell to the viewers, initially joined Pondicherry University through CUET. CUET means Common University Entrance Test, which happens for PG in different courses. But as soon as CFTRI results are out, Joyan decided to withdraw from Pondicherry University and he is going to join CFTRI next in couple of days. Now, how do you feel about getting into your dream college, Joyan? Because CFTRI is something very aspirational for many of the students.
Yeah, sir, exactly. I am very thrilled. I am grateful because CFTRI is, of course, the dream college for almost all food technology students, and getting into it is a dream come true for me.
Correct.
Yeah.
Also, can you tell Joyan, our viewers that what is the exam pattern and syllabus for the CFTRI examination?
Yeah, so talking about pattern, there are 100 MCQ questions. उसमें positive marking is of 1 mark, and if you do a wrong answer, then there is a negative marking of minus 0.25, and no
0.25.
marks for unattempted answer. Yeah. So syllabus is very vast because you have class 11, 12th level of physics, chemistry, biology, maths. Along with that, you have agriculture, dairy, microbiology, food engineering, biochemistry, nutrition, and also GK, mental ability. And like from all of these subjects, questions are coming, but there are no fixed number which comes every year. That varies year to year. So average, if there are 10 subjects, so you can expect around 10 questions from each of the subjects.
करेक्ट जॉन आपने पौंडीचेरी में कुछ दिन स्टे किया था क्या कि जस्ट गए एंड यू विथड्रॉ फ्रॉम देयर
नो नहीं सर, मैंने एक महीना क्लास लिया है वहाँ पे बिकॉज मुझे
अच्छा
पहले पता नहीं. हाँ, बिकॉज वहाँ के क्लासेस 8 जुलाई से स्टार्ट हो गया था, तो मैं एग्जाम देने के बाद मैं उधर चला गया था एंड मैंने एक महीना क्लास लिया था. तो उसके बाद जब रिजल्ट आया देन तो आई लेफ्ट इट.
Okay. So I've heard that the place is very vibrant. समुद्र के आसपास में जो चीजें it's very good. तो वो छोड़ने के टाइम पे दुख महसूस हो रहा था क्या? मतलब बुरा लग रहा था?
थोड़ा लग रहा था कि एक जगह सेट होने के बाद दूसरी जगह, बट जब CFTRI है तो फिर तो उसकी कोई
you can sacrifice that vibe, right?
Yeah.
Correct. Okay. Joyan, ये दो सब जो सब्जेक्ट्स है दोनों एग्जामिनेशन तो you have done exceptionally well. ये CUT एग्जामिनेशन एंड CFTRI क्या है मेजर डिफरेंस दोनों एग्जामिनेशन में? आप दोनों के बारे में थोड़ा डिटेल में बताओ.
दोनों में सिलेबस में तो काफी ज्यादा डिफरेंस है क्योंकि CUT में सिर्फ फूड टेक्नोलॉजी के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. तो फूड टेक्नोलॉजी के जो अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट्स है, फूड प्रिजर्वेशन, प्रोसेसिंग, फूड सेफ्टी, बेकरी, कन्फेक्शनरी, वहां से क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. एंड CFTRI में CFTRI में फूड टेक्नोलॉजी इज जस्ट वन सब्जेक्ट अमंग मेनी अदर सब्जेक्ट. सो इस हिसाब से एक ये है कि CUT में थोड़ा डिटेल्स में फूड टेक के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं एंड CFTRI में जस्ट बेसिक अगर आपको पता है तो यू कैन डू इट. एंड दैट
बेसिक्स ऑफ एवरीथिंग.
हाँ, बेसिक्स ऑफ एवरीथिंग, दैट्स द मेन.
वो I guess CFTRI suits jack of all trades and master of none वाली concept.
Yeah.
Correct. So, I understand you were from Bhaskaracharya College of Applied Sciences in Delhi. It is also part of DU College. And you qualified for both CFTRI and CUT examination, right? How did you balance your college studies and also your entrance exam?
So for that, you have to know how to manage your time, because ग्रेजुएशन मेरा फूड टेक्नोलॉजीज में था, तो वो मेरे लिए एक एडवांटेज था, क्योंकि सीयूईटी में तो वो एडवांटेज था ही, क्योंकि उसमें तो पूरा हम जो 3 साल में पढ़ते हैं तो वही है ओवरऑल सीयूईटी का सिलेबस। बट सीएफटीआरआई में उसके अलावा भी यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द अदर सब्जेक्ट्स, एग्रीकल्चर, डेयरी एंड पीसीएम भी तो है ही। So for that, you have to divide your times ki when you are studying for your college, when you are studying for your entrance examinations. And for me, preparing for the entrance exam came first, because college exams mein 1 month or 2-3 weeks study say you can get a decent score. So I managed to get a decent 9 CGPA by studying for 1 month. So for me,
1 month.
Yeah.
But this competitive examination has very different plans, and it takes time, isn't that?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, because competitive exams you need.
Yeah, go on, complete that.
Because competitive exams, you have to know all together everything. So for that, you need to start your preparations a bit earlier. That's
Correct. You have to plan a lot about any competitive examination. And in your case, you have attempted 2 of the examinations. It's a really great deal. Okay, so you have both of the exam experiences. What do you think about which one is tougher, either CUT or CFTRI?
See, the toughness of both exams are in different respect, because in CUET, if you talk about the questions from food technology, they are from in-depth food technology. So you need to know the subject from deep. But in CFTRI, the syllabus is vast. So that is the tougher part for me actually, because for me actually, I felt that CFTRI questions were a bit easier. But yeah, since the syllabus is very big, so it can be a bit challenging to complete all the syllabus in short amount of time.
Correct. Thank you for sharing that, Joan. As a student of AgriVision for you, and you have taken help of AgriVision Free Platform, and that's what the purpose of that. How did you find out about our platform? That is the first question. And what did you feel? How could you help you better to make or to reach to your destiny?
I came to know about AgriVision from my seniors. Many of my seniors studied in AgriVision, and they have gone into CFTRI, into Pondicherry University. So उनसे मुझे पता चला, and the experience was really good, because there were regular online classes. We got good study materials, and we had regular tests to analyze how we are performing compared to the others. Then in case we had any doubts, we had mentors to ask them anytime. So yeah, it played a very crucial role in my preparation, and the guidance provided was very good and improved my performance in both the exams.
Great, thank you so much for appreciating that. We are glad that we could support also in your preparation. Joan, one thing is very crucial for a lot of students. They should ask, what is the ideal time for preparing for this examination? Let it be CUT also and CFTRI both. You can tell for examination, because timing is very different for both of the exams. CUT also happens mid of May and June, around June, and CFTRI happens around July and all. So just tell about that. What is the ideal time for that, both of the examination?
So in my opinion, perfect time to start is after your second year college exams are over, because then आपको पूरा 1 साल मिल जाता है to prepare well for your exams. And
correct.
In my opinion, taking a drop should not be an option, because it's not very difficult to crack any of these exams along with your college studies. So बहुत लोग क्या ये सोचते हैं कि ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट करने के बाद they will start studying, और 1-2 महीने पहले they will start studying. So वैसे आपका मतलब हो सकता है हो जाए, बट चांसेस कम रहता है. So मेरे हिसाब से तो you should start studying at least 1 year before the exams, so that you can give your best. Yeah.
अब मुझे एक और भी बात लगता है कि आप अगर ड्रॉप लेके एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन करते हो, तो आप बहुत ज्यादा, मुझे लगता है कि प्रेशर में रहते हो. आप लगता है यार होगा नहीं होगा, और वो मोटिवेशन नहीं आता. लेकिन अब आपके पास टाइम है, आपको पता है कि अगर मैं इस बार मैं मेहनत करूंगा तो निकाल लूंगा, और नहीं भी निकाल पाऊंगा तो मेरे पास टाइम है. तो आपको अभी क्योंकि एक साल में पता भी लग जाता है कि लेवल ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन क्या है, कैसा है, नहीं है। अगर आपने अच्छे से पूरा प्लान किया है तो और टच रहता है, मतलब जो ग्रेजुएशन में अपन पढ़ रहे होते हैं और सिमिलरली अपन उसी डोमेन में पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन करना चाहते हैं, एमएससी वगैरह या एमटेक वगैरह, तो वो हेल्प करता है मुझे लगता है वो जर्नी में कि और साथ में थोड़ा सा लोनलीनेस फील नहीं होता है। बहुत सारे बच्चे जो वो फील करते हैं वो चीज फील नहीं होती है, तो दैट्स रियली गुड।
हाँ
ठीक है,
एग्जैक्टली।
तो आगे चलते हैं जॉन। सो योर मेन इंटरेस्ट फॉर CFTRA, राइट? एंड यू लुक, आई मीन you also took the COT examination as a backup. Many of the students don't do that. Okay, मैं बहुत सारे बच्चों को देखा हूँ वो ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट में आके एंड एक ही एग्जामिनेशन देते हैं। So आपके हिसाब से what is the right strategy? How to set the backups and कैसे एग्जामिनेशन की प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डर सेट करना चाहिए? And also tell us that what are the important examinations to take, at least 2-3 exams.
सो लाइक मैंने पहले कहा था कि टेकिंग अ ड्रॉप वाज नेवर एन ऑप्शन फॉर मी, सो इसीलिए मैंने ऑलवेज मैं ये सोचता था कि मैं कोई बैकअप रहेगा, क्योंकि अगर आपके पास कोई बैकअप रहता है देन यू आर मोर रिलैक्स्ड। जैसे व्हेन आई वाज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर माय CFTRI, आई हैड ऑलरेडी बीन एडमिटेड इन पौंडीचेरी। सो एक तो मेरे मन में रिलैक्स था कि हाँ आई हैव समथिंग, कि अगर बाय चांस कुछ हो जाए कुछ, फिर आई हैव दैट ऑप्शन। So
Correct.
that is very important to have a backup. And other exams, jaise if you are from food technology background, then obviously your first choice may be CFTRI. Then you can go for CUET. Then many of my friends have given IIP exams for packaging. So that can
Correct.
also be an option. If you should keep your options open. You should never be limited कि मुझे यही करना है, तो
You
फिर
should explore.
हाँ
Correct. Again, keeping multiple options also give you sort of security and preventing
yeah
wasting a year, because every each and year is very important in your journey, because
yeah definitely
जितना जल्दी अपन ग्रेजुएशन या पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन करेंगे उतना जल्दी कहीं ना कहीं अपन देखेंगे इंडस्ट्री में क्या एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं, कैसा क्या होता है। तो वो और थोड़ा अर्ली एज में क्या होता है ना, वी कैन टेक मोर एंड मोर risk in our life. Let it be starting with something in a venture or applying for different jobs and different type of मतलब अगर PhD भी करना है तो आपके पास बहुत ज्यादा टाइम रहता है कि कैसे कहाँ से एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं। तो वो बहुत सारी चीजें मुझे लगता है वो बेहतर होती है। ओके, सो जोयन, एक चीज जो मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ, what do you want to suggest to the future aspirants जो अभी प्रिपेयर करने वाले हैं, आपके अकॉर्डिंग अभी कैसे उनको एनरोलमेंट्स वगैरह करना चाहिए, कैसे एंड व्हाट इज द नीड, हाउ डू यू डिफाइन कि नीड कैसे होती है, कि अगर आपको कैसे डिसाइड करना चाहिए कि आपको यू शुड टेक अ हेल्प ऑफ एनी प्लेटफॉर्म और यू शुड प्रिपेयर सेल्फ, और कैसे वो सारी चीज के बारे में एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू योर एक्सपीरियंस बेसिकली।
So, according to my experience, you need a guidance, because only self-studying you can do, but it will take you to a certain limit. But उसके ऊपर अगर आपको जाना है, then if you take help of any institution, it will always be helpful. And मेरा personal experience है कि मैंने aggravation से मुझे दोनों exams में फायदा मिला है, CUET में भी CFTRI में भी। So I would suggest कि अगर आपके पास option है तो you can join this, because you will get live lectures, you will have test series, which is very important, because आप खुद को analyze कर सकते हो कि in which position you are currently. So yeah.
करेक्ट एंड टाइमिंग इज आल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट एक्चुअली, कि कब आप कौन सी चीजें डिसाइड करते हो। बेसिकली
Yeah.
डिसीजंस डिसाइड डेस्टिनी, इजंट दैट? कि
Yeah.
आप कौन सा डिसीजन किस टाइम पर लेते हो वही आपको डेस्टिनी डिसाइड करेगी कि आपको कहां पर कब पहुंचना है, ऑफ कोर्स, राइट? सो लास्ट but not the least, Joel, tell me the 3 most important points for the students who is going to prepare for this examination.
Okay, so according to me, the 3 important points. First is you have to be consistent in your preparations. You have to study regularly. You have to revise your concepts to retain them during the exam. Then you have to give mock tests. You have to study previous year's question papers to understand the exam pattern and do time management. And lastly, you need to stay motivated. You need to have a positive attitude always. Then you will definitely succeed.
Correct, correct. Thank you so much for joining, Joy, and sharing your valuable experiences with us also, and how about your journey. And hope we are going to have you as a torchbearer for coming students. We can also guide them how and what mistakes generally in a graduation, because this is very early as after 12th, and we don't have sort of sense in a graduation कि क्या क्या करना चाहिए, कब करना चाहिए, बहुत सारी चीजें गलत हो जाती है. तो of course we are going to have you onboarded with us. Thank you so much, Join, with joining us. Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye bye.